Hello, Dr. Aska. So this is Dr. Aska, aesthetic. He's into aesthetics in Jakarta, Indonesia, right? So he's flown all the way from Jakarta with her senior doctor for ISHR heat transplant training. So yes, doctor, how was you came? When did you come, and how was your experience? Can you just share for the other students across the world who would like to know?
Yeah, sure. My name is Dr. Aska. I'm from Jakarta, Indonesia, and this is my first time to come to Mumbai, India. Such a great pleasure here. I love the town, I love the city, I love the people here, and I'm doing the hair transplant training, fellowship in hair transplant from India Society of Hair Restoration to get this certificate, and it was a great experience. It's full of knowledge, full of science. Really want to say thank you to Mr. Vivek, Dr. Vivek to teach us in a full patience and full knowledge. I couldn't have asked more for that.
Yeah. And still we are there together, all our faculties with you for the whole year, trying to help you set up your center, send the technicians, and you can always talk to us. Practical exposure were also good, right?
Yes, for sure, we will keep in touch, and thanks for the good idea, thanks for the good
and as soon as you go back, you have to do 100-200 graph case, set up your center, and let's work together. Okay, doctor?
Yes.
Nice talking to you. Yeah.